be showing you guys how I do this slick braided ponytail. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I go from this to this. This is a very easy hairstyle, and this is something you can do when your hair is like dirty and needs to be washed and you don't know what to do with it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do that. The only things you guys are gonna need is water, some gel, a diamond brush, and also a toothbrush. The toothbrush I'll be using for my baby hair, and of course the hair. This is actually some leftover hair I had from when I had box braids, and I decided to put it to use. So the first thing I did was wet the hair. You want to make sure that you really wetting the hair. I'm also going to be using this brush. Now I'll be adding some gel to the hair and brushing it with the diamond brush. The diamond brush is going to help brush away any bumps I may have, and so it can look very smooth. You'll see me going back and forth from the diamond brush to the other brush to really make sure that my hair is really smooth. Then we're gonna add some gel to the brush and then brush my hair with it. This is gonna make sure that my hair is really, really, really smooth. Once I find that my hair is smooth enough and also how high I want my ponytail, I go ahead and tie my hair. And then I'm going to wet my toothbrush and also add some gel, and I'm going to brush my baby hairs. And then now it's time to get the hair out the bag and apply the hair to my head. Here I'm just trying to make sure how long it's going to look. Don't mind me. Then I'm going to wrap a scrunchie around the hair. This is going to help the hair stay in place, and also this is how I'm going to be applying the hair to my ponytail. Then I'm going to place the hair on top of my ponytail. I'm going to make sure that it's in the middle. Then I'm going to tie it to my ponytail. And I'm going to make sure that I'm tying it very, very, very tight because you don't want it to move. Then I'm going to push all the hair back to kind of like cover my ponytail like this. As you guys see, it's covering my hair. And I'm going to divide it into 3 sections with my hair and the fake hair. Make sure that every section has my hair and the fake hair. Then once I have my 3 sections, I'm gonna start braiding. And whenever I'm braiding, I'm making sure that I'm really pulling the hair because I don't want it to look too fat where my hair is. Since I have too much hair, you could say, I don't want it to look too fat, so I'm making sure that I'm doing it really, really tight. Once my hair is completely braided and it's only the fake hair, I'm going to add more hair to the fake hair. And I did this because I felt like once I didn't have any more of my hair, it was just a fake hair. It was too skinny, you could say, like it wasn't as thick. So I wanted to keep the thickness so it could kind of look real, if that makes any sense. And it also makes the braid a little longer, which I wanted the braid to be longer. And then I'm going to tie the braid using a rubber band. Then I'm going to take a little bit more of the fake hair, not too much, just a little bit, and I'm going to place it on top of the braid, like at the beginning, and I'm going to wrap it around the braid. This is going to hide any scrunchies that may be visible. And I'm kind of like twisting it around like at the top and at the bottom till I can't anymore, and then I'm going to bobby pin it. And lastly, I'm going to add my hairspray to the hair. This is gonna make sure that my hair stays very slick throughout the whole day or night, and it's gonna sit down any flyaways that may be sticking up. As you guys can see, I am pushing back any hair that's sticking out of the braid. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!